if you have stopped posting YouTube shorts or you are avoiding posting YouTube shorts simply because someone said it's going to destroy your channel, then you might actually be the one slowing down your own growth. Because the truth is, shorts are not killing your channel. What is actually killing your channel is bad strategy. And in this video, I'm going to break it down clearly and show you that short can actually help you to grow your channel and not destroy your channel. Forget about all those videos you've been watching on YouTube telling you don't post short. Short is going to kill your channel and all of those stuffs, right? Those are content strategies. And at the end of this video, you're going to start appreciating short and use it to grow your channel even faster. Without much being said, let's dive right into this video. Now, a lot of small YouTubers are confused, yes, because they've seen videos. I watched two particular videos that actually made me to do this video. The creators were emphatically talking about how short kills your channel. And then I went to the comment section and I saw small YouTubers saying, oh, he gave me a lot of subscribers, but my views are struggling. When I post my long form videos, they don't watch and all of that. And they automatically believe that short is what is making people not watch their long form videos. Guys, when you have this mentality, it can literally slow down your growth. I'm going to be showing you 5 typical examples and reasons why short can actually grow your channel and not kill it. Ensure to watch this video to the very end because I'm going to be giving you strategies that you can actually use to make your short work very well for you in order to grow your channel, give you more subscribers, more views, more watch hours, and even make people watch your long form videos. Now, I'm going to start with something a lot of small YouTubers do not understand. You need to understand that YouTube is always learning. Every time you post, every time someone watches your content, YouTube is simply collecting the data. It is trying to understand your channel, what your content is about, who should they show it to. Now, imagine this. If you consistently post short about YouTube growth, and then people watches those shorts about YouTube growth, or let me say it this way, if you're on the YouTube growth channel, and then you consistently post shorts about your niche, that's YouTube growth niche. You consistently post shorts teaching people how to grow on YouTube, how to get 4,000 watch time hours, how to get subscribers, and all of that. Like, you post it as a short form video. People are going to watch those shorts. They are going to like, they are going to comment, they are going to engage. Now, when people does this, what do you think YouTube is going to do? YouTube will simply start recognizing your channel as a YouTube growth channel. It will begin to understand your audience. So when you now upload a long form video, you are not starting from zero. YouTube already knows whom to push your video to. Now, this simply means that your long form video is going to get a head start because you've already built a short form audience that are interested in videos like this. Now, remember, I said you were posting shorts based on YouTube growth niche, your niche, not outside your niche. And then you now post a long form videos on that same niche. Now, compare that to someone who doesn't use shorts at all. Like, you've not used shorts to, even bring audience to yourself because shorts gives rapid growth, especially if you do it strategically. In this video, that is what I'm trying to teach you, how to do it strategically so that you can use the rapid growth of shorts to grow your long form videos and grow your channel entirely. Now, if you've not been posting short form videos on your niche before now, and then you suddenly post a long form video, YouTube is still trying to figure out your audience. That alone is going to slow down the growth of your long form video. Instead of short killing your channel, short is helping your channel to grow. I don't know if you've noticed, I don't know if you've been checking your dashboard. I don't know if you've also noticed that there are some times that you are going to post your short video and then YouTube is going to recommend it on browse features on the home page. Yes, YouTube is going to recommend it on the home page, and the people that are literally watching your short form videos are also going to see it. Now, people watching your long form videos are seeing your shorts. People watching your shorts are seeing your long form video because YouTube is also recommending it to them as well. That is what is currently happening right now. I don't know if you're not aware. I don't even know where the idea of shorts is killing your channel is coming from. That is if you do it the wrong way. Now, one thing I mentioned that is paramount is niche. If you want YouTube shorts to actually work for you very well, do not post something that is outside your niche. Post something that is related to your niche so that when you make your long form video and YouTube recommend your long form video to those people that have watched your short form video, they are going to watch it. The mistake I see that a lot of small YouTubers are making is that they post different things entirely in their shorts, and then in their long form videos they are posting another thing because they already know that normally shorts can actually give fast visibility, which is the second point I'm going to be talking about. They already know that shorts is going to give fast visibility, and there are some certain kind of contents that people love to watch. Now, because they know that people love to watch all this kind of content, they start posting those in their shorts. And then in their long form video, they are not posting what they are posting in their shorts, they are posting another thing in their long form video. Now, at the end of the day, those people will not be interested in your long form video because what you fed them in your short feed is not what you are feeding them in your long form video. By so doing, it will kill your channel. But that is not the reason why people should pick up camera and start telling you don't upload shorts. To me, I feel like it doesn't even make sense. Feed your short viewers with content you post on your long form video. And again, there's a way you can even post different things on your shorts and then post your niche on your long form video and your channel will still not die. I'm going to explain. Now, when I started my channel, I wanted to complete my 1,000 subscribers, right? I had to use remix feature on YouTube to complete my 1,000 subscribers, right? I have a dedicated video on this channel where how I was able to complete my 1,000 subscribers using that remix feature. Now, in that remix feature, you can actually use content that are different from your niche, okay? Because that is what attracts people. Now, I did it strategically in the sense that every week I post at least 3 long form videos on my channel. I'm attracting people with my long form video and I'm attracting people from my short form video, even though those contents were unrelated to my niche. It did not kill my channel because I did it strategically. For example, there are some videos that are trending now. If you make use of those videos that are trending and post it on your long form video, and then there's a place called related video on your short form, on the short feed. If you want to post your short form video right now, there's a place in the description that says impute your related video. You can literally take your video and link it as a related video. That is one way. Another way is gather audience with your long form video. Don't post more shorts. In fact, post more long form videos than short form videos. Now, you're trying to get 1,000 subscribers very fast, which is very important, whether we like it or not. Big YouTubers will come and tell you, oh, don't post that, don't do that. They've forgotten their humble beginning. They've forgotten how they started, that it was hard, and they themselves also did that thing to get their 1,000 subscribers. Especially if you're on the YouTube growth as a small YouTuber, you are teaching people how to get 1,000 subscribers, and you don't have your own 1,000 subscribers. It is somehow. So you just have to use that route. Use the remix feature to get your content, whether they are related to your niche or they are not related to your niche. Use it to get your subscribers. And once you've gotten your 1,000 subscribers, you stop posting unrelated shorts and then focus more on posting shorts that are related to your niche. But the best one is to start posting only shorts that are related to your niche. But if you're in a hurry to get 1,000 subscribers, you can actually post videos that attract people very well in your short form video and then impute your long form videos that is based on your niche as a related video. I don't know if this makes sense. You can drop at the comment section if you don't understand what I'm trying to say. Shorts gives your channel visibility. For YouTube to even start pushing shorts, it shows that it has a lot of potentials. It skyrockets your visibility very fast. You can, as a new channel, you can post your long form video today and then you are not going to get any views. But post a short form video, you can get up to 1,000 views in 24 hours, 10,000 views in 24 hours as a small channel if your short is interesting. And this issue of don't post shorts is going to kill your channel. I know a channel that was monetized that struggles to get views on her long form videos, but she started posting shorts and she made up to $500 in a month by just posting shorts. See, do not neglect any feature that YouTube is giving you. All you need to do is to do it strategically. Even if you decide to stop posting shorts today, and then you're posting only long form video, if you don't still post your long form video strategically, your channel will still die. So everything is about strategy. Instead of just abandoning a beautiful feature that YouTube has given to help you grow, do it strategically, just like I've explained in this video. And one misconception that a lot of people making videos about don't post shorts, one misconception they are having is that people that watch shorts do not watch long form videos. Don't you watch shorts? You that you're watching me right now, don't you watch short videos? Are you not still watching this long video now? I don't know, where are these ideas coming from? This is where many people get it wrong. It depends on how you use shorts. If your shorts are connected to your long form videos, they are going to watch it. You are simply creating a system. For example, if you post a short right now and people watch it and enjoy it, if you then upload a full video on that same topic, YouTube will recommend that video, your long form video, to those people that have watched the short form of that video. A lot of times, if I post a long form video, I craft out a catchy portion of that video and then I post it as a short. And then towards the end, I'm going to say, check my channel for the full video. Someone that enjoys that video, do you think they're not going to go? And I see results. I'm going to go to my screen right now and show you a video I made and how I was able to repurpose it into shorts and how it attracted people to my long form video. Let's go over to my screen. Let me show you. Now I'm going to go to my YouTube studio right now. So this is my YouTube studio. Let's even start from this video. Okay. I posted this video and then I posted the short form of this video. Okay. If we scroll down here now, you can see where the viewers are coming from. You can see. If you look down here, you're going to see related shorts. Related shorts. You can see I've gotten 6 views. Now, imagine if I did not post this short form video. If I did not post this short, it is the short I posted. Now, let me even show you the short I posted. Let's go ahead. Now, you can see my short. The short I posted has gotten 484 views, while the long form video had 140 views. Now, I got 6 views. Let me click on it and show you how I was able to. Let me click on this edit. Now, if you click on this edit here, this is my title. If you scroll down here, you're going to see related video. I tapped on this place and then I imputed the full video. This is the long form video. This is the short and this is the long form video. Now, because I imputed, people actually clicked on this long form video and watched the full video. They watched the full video. So imagine, now tell me how this short has killed my channel. Tell me how this short has killed my channel. Let me show you another video. There's a particular video that I literally got up to 10 to 16 views from my shorts, from my related shorts. Let me see which one. You can see, this is the AI video I made. You can see I got 4 views from related shorts. And the first 24 hours I posted it still had views from related shorts. So you can see what I'm talking about. Do it strategically. Focus on your niche. If you want to get subscribers very fast, make use of shorts. If you post something that is unrelated, that is not related to your niche, just for you to get subscribers, as you are posting that one, be posting your long form videos that are related to your niche, so that you can repurpose them, or you can be gathering a different audience from that place. And once you hit your 1,000 subscribers, you stop and focus on posting only shorts that are related to your niche. You are doing that because you want to get your subscribers. The truth is, not all subscribers that you gather to your channel are going to watch your video. Even if you focus on posting only long form video, a lot of us have 50,000 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, and only 50 people are watching your videos. And a lot of times, some of those channels that actually have 50,000 subscribers, they posted only long form videos. And when they post video, they get only 1,000 views, 2,000 views inside 50,000 subscribers. Inside 30,000 subscribers, you're getting only 1,000 views. So does it not mean that it is shorts that not killed your channel? I feel like I've said so much in this video, and I hope with this few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not to confuse you that shorts does not kill your channel. And I feel like every small channel should know this strategy and follow it to grow their channel. If you enjoyed this video, do want to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos like this, you're going to get notified. Thank you for watching. Bye.